I'd like to welcome you guys to my channel if you're brand new here. Today, I am doing a video with my new camera. In case you wonder what my new camera is, you should see it at the bottom of the screen. I would say it, but I usually goof things up when it comes to words. But we're going to get some beauty. We're going to get beauty hopefully in 3 different places. In 2 different counties, yeah. The one place we might get beauty quite a few times there. But that's what we're aiming to do. Now, I do not have my carrying case for my new camera. I'm having to use a bark box. I do have the tripod because I'm still getting used to holding the camera. All the vlogging will be done on my GoPro 10, and all the beauty shots will be done on the new camera. Now, we'll be speaking on these beauty shots because I'm not going to put music with them because YouTube and I do not get along when it comes to music. Just trust me, unless I can figure something out. But I will be talking so I can check out the audio. Today is to get beauty and test out my new camera. There's a lot of things I need to test out. Until then, come on. You and I get it up there, or down there. We're going up. We'll see you guys in Batesville, Indiana. Okay, I'm at one of the reservoirs I have not been to in a long time. The last time we was here, Stormy was with us. Yeah. I made a video, the 2 reservoirs meet in the middle. Good video, by the way, guys. Now, I've already been out, got the shots I needed. Sadly, there was no wildlife, but I did get some of the reservoir. The sun was kind of in my eyes. I learned it's hard to see the viewfinder with the sun in my eyes. So, guys, we're going to look around a little bit more in Batesville here. That's where we're at, Batesville, Indiana. And from here, if we don't find out, we're going to Versailles State Park. That'll be the second place, yeah. Like I said, we're going to be in a couple different counties. So we're headed back to another county. Possibly, unless we find something else out here in Batesville. Normally, when we're out here, there's wildlife everywhere. Couldn't see none. I don't know. All right, we'll see you somewhere. Yeah. Real quick, almost forgot. I'm showing what we got, the footage we got before we... Yeah, you're going to see that. Then you're going to see the next place we go. Almost forgot. Yeah, I'm doing this after I got the footage. Did I say that already? I'm getting my mind in the game. Trying to. Okay, the first shot. So I'll go ahead and get this one. I could always put music to it, but I'm not going to do it. This was done on the tripod. Yeah, get a little bit of this beauty right here. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Let's go to the next one. Okay, I got it zoomed in pretty far out there, although to get further. I'm not seeing any wildlife, so we're just going to slowly back down. On my other camera, I had this down to down perfect, so I got to learn how to do this one pretty good. Slowly back down. I can't tell. The sun's really bright out here, so I can't really tell in the viewfinder. Oh, I guess I'm already back. Okay, the next shot I'm going to hold in my hand and see how well I do. I wish we had some wildlife to video. Now, I'm also checking the wind out because there's a lot of wind where I'm at. I do not have my shotgun mic on. Let me turn it this way. So I'm checking the wind to see the onboard mic, how well it acts without the shotgun mic. Okay, we're going to zoom in down where Angie and them are holding it and go from there. There's where Angie and them are. Now, if you lose the point down, there we go. I'm also testing out the focus. Move back a little bit. Now, this camera does have some weight to it. Okay, just like before, I already got the footage. But what you're about ready to see is a deer. I got lucky on that. Also, tried to get the other viewfinder to work. Had a little troubles, but I got it to work. And there's my dumb butt. Couldn't figure it out. All it was one little button. Got some, I hope this footage turns out. Got 5 juvenile herons. Angie and I both did. Yes, Angie's learning this as well because there are going to be times I'm going to be fishing and I'm going to have the camera with me and she's going to, yeah. So guys, go ahead and watch the footage. And the next footage you see, I don't know if it's going to be Ohio County, which is where Rising Sun is where we're headed. We're going to get some Ohio River or over Manchester and Dearborn County. We don't know which one we're going to yet. We'll figure it out. So we'll see you over there. We're going to get some more footage. By the way, we went to a lot of places here in the park. Didn't see anything jump out for us to get footage. I will be coming back to the area I'm at now in the next couple weeks for an actual video. Yes, an urban legend, but not for a couple weeks. All right, guys, we're out of here. We'll see you at another place. Gotcha. Fully zoomed in. Turn around and say hi to us. There you go. You can hear me. We're at Versailles State Park right now. Just a little bit up from the dam. Seeing this guy. We thought we'd try to get some footage of him. Okay. Don't know if I'm getting them. There they are. They're coming into shot now. Here we go. At least I think they are. I am looking through the viewfinder. I tried to use when I had the deer. At least I think they are. I can't tell. Yeah, there are. If I'm looking through the viewfinder, if this shot is not what I think it is, guys, overlook me. But I'm looking through the viewfinder that I try to get out for the deer. Okay, let's back off. In a lot of ways, this camera reminds me of my small handheld. But in a lot of ways it don't. A lot of trial and error. I gotta get used to this camera. Right over there are them geese I try to zoom in on. We're gonna sit here at the picnic table. I don't know if you can see it on the other side of me. We're gonna try to get some more footage out here. We're waiting for the herons to appear maybe. But it is quite beautiful. I might go ahead and get some footage way down yonder and zoom back or just leave it. I don't know yet. This whole video is trial and error, trying out my new camera, learning my new camera. Then of course I'm going to take it off and probably use it with my hand. Think about getting a selfie stick to go on the bottom, which will be a little easier for me to use. Alright, back to video, guys. Right there's a beautiful shot right there, guys. Oh heck yeah. I also learned something on my thing I pull out to focus it in with. I learned there's a button to help out on that. I wish I was able to find that out earlier. Wow, that's a beautiful shot right there. There we go, the 5 herons, along with the geese swimming right in front of them. Beautiful shot. I'm gonna let Angie take a look at this. Here, Angie, take a look at that real quick. Beautiful shot right there. Oh, you're gonna shake it around.
Well, I'm short. I can't help
I'm sorry, you can't see, can you? Here, let me pull this down. Okay, there you go. I'm sorry.
Pretty.
Ain't that a beautiful shot?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get earlier.
I'm sure you did fine. Okay, let's look for other places. Make
now I'm
sure
videoing.
you know you're the one doing it and talking.
Yes, it's me. And there is a heron right there. Look at how beautiful he is. He's a beauty. Let's see if I can get a little better. You hear Michael in the background. Maybe, maybe not. Oops. Oh, where'd you go, dude? There he is. Oh, sorry guys. Just trying to get the perfect shot. Get him in the middle. There we go. There he is. Look at that. Look at how beautiful he is.
This is where it all started, guys. This is the tree. Let me zoom in just a tad bit. That was the tree that I tried to get the eagle in. Wasn't able to do it. That was 2 years ago. This is what decided me to get a better camera. That was 2 years ago. Yeah. All right, we're on to the next location here in the park, Versailles State Park, and let's do it. We're going to try something before we leave the park. I have this off the tripod. I'm just going to practice a little bit with it, guys. Overlook me. Yeah, I got to get a better zoom out of it than this. Yeah, I'm a little shaky with the hand still. That will be corrected once I learn the weight of the camera down the road. Yeah, we're right here at the dock. Swing around, and there's Angie. And down there's Kitt. Hey Kitt, how you doing, Bubby? And swing around again.
Got something in your nose.
Right up there is the camp store, along with the bathrooms, right up yonder there. So we're going to head up this way, and we're going to get more footage. At least think we are. Okay, we're over here in Manchester, Indiana. We're in Dearborn County. I got the lake, got some beautiful shots. Still practicing. I'm starting to learn the camera a little bit more and more. Right now we're headed to Rising Sun, a whole other county, Ohio County. We're gonna get some shots there. But right now, enjoy the footage here in Manchester. Just like I have the last places we've been. I have been doing the video on what we're doing before, well, after we do it. So enjoy this, and we see you over there in Rising Sun. And here we are. We're in Manchester, Indiana. Yeah, I'm not backing out like I usually would. You can see Angie and Kitt's already down there. With the stuff on the lake, it should be some spectacular shots. Let's go get it, guys. This should be spectacular. Hey, try not to move around, Angie. Hold on, just stay as steady as you can. We're going to try to move this. Oh, ain't you moving? There we go. Well, loosen it up a little bit more. Here we go. Oh, this should be spectacular. We're not zooming in on this one right now. Okay, let's try to move it back as steady as I can. Remember, I'm just getting to know the camcorder, folks. I'm on the tripod doing this. We're going to take it off soon and do it by hand in just a little bit. Alright, let me set up for maybe some wildlife if I can see some. Okay, we're off the tripod. I should be pretty steady on this. Let's zoom on down. Zoom on down. I can't see much in the viewfinder because I got the big viewfinder open, but zoom on down. That is so beautiful down through there. Slowly zoom back. Slowly zoom back. There we go. That's the way I want to do her. There we go. Pick it up. Slowly pan. Right over there where that bench is. Let's zoom right up to that bench, okay? Zoom right up to the bench. There we go. Zoom right up to that bench. There we go. That's another spot you can fish from. Okay, this time we're going to do a little bit different. Right through here. I think I goofed up. Yeah. Now I'm looking through the small viewfinder. We're going to test out the stabilization that the camera has. So we're going to go in and out a few times. Let's take a couple steps back. Here we go. Oh, so beautiful. Here we go. So beautiful. Okay, we're going to try to get Angie real quick and Kitt. There we go. Get right up there. She knew I was doing this, she'll kill me. Okay, we're back where we started at. We're at home. We're going to skip Rising Sun for today, guys. Yeah, we'll get it another time, but this weekend's coming up. Friday, I'm going to go fishing. We're going to be doing some on the camera then. We're taking it with us Saturday and Sunday. So we're going to call it quits. We was going to do Rising Sun, but we still got to go to the store, man. We got to go to the store and we still got to make suppers and yeah. Plus we got to go to the farm store. We're thinking about getting another wagon, you know, for the fishing gear and stuff, and use the wagon we got to wheel in heavy items into the house. Because I got a long way to walk from the driveway to my front door, and carrying a big old case of water gets a little hard nowadays. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. It was trial and error with the new camera. I've learned lots. And I'm going to make some adjustments tonight. And the next time should be a heck of a lot better. Leave your comments down below. Hit that like button. And we will talk to you next time. Come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.